By the way, do you know the famous Korotkov sounds? They were named after uh, a Russian surgeon by the name Nikolai Sergeyevich Korotkov. He was born in Russia in 1874, a place called Kursk. And he discovered the Korotkov sounds during the blood pressure measurement using a sphygmomanometer and a stethoscope.